My name is Rich Joseph, and I live in Agawam, Massachusetts. Think globally, act locally. And with that in mind, we said, hey, let's do something here that might help every place on the planet. And that's how our search for solar power on our property got its start. I found out about all energy solar once we had decided to do some solar on our property. I did my due diligence. Leslie and I did a lot of research. We actually asked for about 5 estimates from 5 different companies. And one of the unusual circumstances that we have here is that my house and my roof line is always in the shade. So we were going to need a ground-mounted system out in the yard. And All Energy Solar had the best ground-mounted system. In our opinion, they had the best solar panels, the best microinverters, and the best crew. Well, living with a solar system is easy. First of all, it doesn't say anything. It doesn't make any noise. It just sits in the yard and does its thing. Now, once a month, I get my electric bill, which is 0 and has been for 6 years. It's been great. It's so good to see people around town, and for that matter, around the world, turning to sustainable energy production for their homes. It makes incredible sense. It's good for the planet, and you magnify that by millions of people going to sustainable energy sources, and it's going to be a wonderful world.